Transform your manufacturing and maximize your design data with the powerful automated tools of Solid Edge's fully integrated CAD/CAM solutions. With Solid Edge CAM Pro 2.5 axis now included with every Solid Edge license, let's explore the powerful yet easy-to-use tools with this espresso machine as our example. We'll leverage Solid Edge CAM Pro to create the manufacturing toolpaths for the machine's rear legs. First, we'll use the Solid Edge assembly tools to create the shape to represent the stock part, and also the parts that form the fixture assembly, which include the standoff plate we see here as we add additional fixing holes from the standard database. We'll also make use of the vast supplier catalogs from 3D Find It to get an appropriate socket head cap screw. You can see here Solid Edge is a great CAD for CAM tool, but also that Solid Edge CAM Pro solutions handle assemblies as well as single parts, which is very important when creating toolpaths and making sure to avoid collisions with the fixture components. We'll machine this design in two setups. Step 1 is to mill the pocket and drill the holes, and Step 2 is to machine the profile. One click sends the entire assembly to Solid Edge CAM Pro. Associativity is maintained to the complete assembly, so if there are any last-minute changes, you can quickly accept them and continue the CNC programming process. New for Solid Edge CAM Pro is the ability to create adaptive roughing toolpaths for 2.5 axis operations, included at no additional cost. These are faster than traditional toolpaths and extend the life of the cutting tools. Solid Edge CAM Pro also has great visual tools to build your confidence. Here we're using toolpath animation with material removal to see the cutting effect. Built-in productivity tools like right mouse button context menus allow a user to sail through the CNC programming process. Here we'll create a spot drilling operation for the 5 holes in the support. Notice the graphical pop-up hints that help us with operation selection. Graphical helps are also available in geometry selection. Each time we select a hole, we get a preview of the machining that will take place. At any point in the process, we can get visual feedback on our decisions. Now that our CNC program is complete, let's run the whole thing through visualization before processing. Pocketing, profiling, and hole making, Solid Edge CAM Pro can do all that and much more. No CNC job is finished until it has been post-processed for a specific machine. That's where PostHub, an online database of over 1,200 post-processors, really shines. You can filter using several different criteria to find exactly the one you need. PostHub is also constantly being updated with new posts. Solid Edge CAM Pro 2.5 axis, now included with every Solid Edge license, allows you to transform your manufacturing and maximize your design data.